We keep this love in a photograph. We make these memories for ourselves, where our eyes are never closing, hearts are never broken, time's forever frozen still.
Back to my YouTube channel. It's your lovely sis Lerato Pelesa Bajao. Can call me Little P. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here and if you're a returning study, welcome back, honey, and let's keep the love growing. So guys, today is Tuesday and I'm starting this vlog, but this vlog I want it to be different. I want it to be about me. Welcome back to the vlog. So guys, I didn't vlog much the last time I picked up the camera. So today it's around 1:30 and I'm just gonna have my lunch and then head to the salon to do my hair, and also I have to pick up Ari from there. It's a lot, but I can manage. Yeah, what's good, love gang? Welcome back to the vlog, honeys. Okay, so I went to do my hair just now at our local salon because the prices there are quite affordable, and you know me, I don't like spending money, so it's a bargain. Okay, to be honest, I haven't been taking good care of my hair, especially this month, like winter, like since winter began. I just been ignoring my hair. So guys, yeah, I didn't vlog much at the salon because the truth is, where I'm from, people are not familiar with these things like vlogging, content creation. So yeah, you get such weird look when you try it. Yeah, that's why it's so uncomfortable for me to do it out.
Look, seem like every captain gotta maintain the cap. You can make change, don't change for that. Tell the whole truth, get paid for that. Bet you never fall off, you was made for that. You gotta be who you really be, shine from the inside. Cause niggas ain't really who they say on the outside. You gotta be who you really.
I'm filming from my new camera that I recently just bought. Okay, so yeah, this is my first vlog with a camera. The time is Mama, and this is how the weather looks.
You know, the thing about life is
So big. Also wanted to show you guys that I did my hair the other day. Okay, so guys, I was gonna make my bed, but then this other girl that I gave birth to just told me she wants tea, so I decided to take a pause and I'm now making tea, guys. I bought a new camera. I bought a new camera, okay? I bought this camera with my money. Can you even imagine? Oh, guys, I bought a camera. Oh my goodness. Is this me? Guys, is this me? Girl, is this me? Okay, guys, let me make this girl's tea before she loses her mind. And yeah, I'm gonna make my bed. Guys, normally when I come back home from work, I just change straight into my pajamas. If I need to take a shower, I'll just bath and then straight to my pajamas. Nothing else. And so yeah, let me make tea and coffee quickly. The lighting can be
Everything goes for some people, and nothing goes for other people. Some man I live free, nothing there. Nah, go on. Yeah. Choo. Money walk back. Shame me dak back. Some say I go back ladder, body there for backyard. Money walk back. Shame me dak back. Some say I go back ladder, body there for backyard. Say your mama, yeah. What's in my bed to your mama? See me rolling and I move normal. Say to your mama. 1 kilometer, some say around kilometer. I do follow señorita. Then say nothing a sweeter. I'm a little dog. Them see the writing and dodge. Say anything goes, even marry a top. Say to your mama, yeah. What's in my bed to your mama? See me rolling and I move normal. Say to your mama. Say to your mama, yeah. What's in my bed to your mama? See me rolling and I move normal. Say to your mama. Money walk. Shame me dak back. Some say I go back. Body there back. Shame me dak back. Some say I go back. Body there for backyard. You know the thing about it is, man gotta do what he gotta do to survive, you know. And all these things that I want, me don't want none. Choo!
Yes, I'm writing a speech for my presentation at school on Friday, so I'm trying to write it down and how need to give it to my sister. Okay? I'm just gonna give it to my sister to make sure the boy practices until Friday. And also, Ari is over there. She's very sleepy and she's been watching Just talking.